Okay, summary of how to remove a door panel. 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. We've got one screw right here that's accessible that you can see. It's a T15 right there. Right. So we will remove that. Okay. Then you got to be. There's a screw behind here, so you're gonna pry this up, work it out, nice and easy. Pop it, you pop it up, and then pull it back this way. And right in here is a T30 bolt. Looks like this one. Okay. So you pull it out from here. You also need to pry this piece down here. That's right in here, and there's another T30 right back in here. Right there. Okay. So we've got those screws removed. Then we also got this one. So you pry this up. You're going to pry it, but you're also going to want to shift it to the back. It's got these little tabs. So once you pry it open, you move it to the backward. Otherwise you'll break those two tabs up. You got another T30 up here that you take out. You take all those out. Then you work your way around with your screwdriver, popping all these things off. And it's all these little connectors, like these, that go all the way around. Right? You pop those all off. You've got a connector down here. This connector connects right here. That's for your trunk release. This connector is the one that connects up here to where the window regulator and all that stuff is actuated. And then we got this connector that connects up into the top here, which is part of your mirror controls. And then this one that connects into here, which is your door open lock, and then this. If you're taking the rest of it off, there's some T15s right here. You can take this off and set that aside, and then that way this cable is free and the whole door panel is released. And there's one more connector over here that connects to your locking mechanism